Okay, got another follow-up video here on the GnarlyFPV Meemo. This is now flying on 2S. So I put the updated TPU canopy on here along with the base, and that's all TPU now. So replace that. All the electronics are the same except for the motors and the props. So I switched to the HQ 2x4s or 2x2x4s. These are the ones that came with the kit. And then I swapped the motor out for these Happy model. These are some 1102 10,000 kV, so I think these will be better on 2S. And I'm flying a GNB 300 milliamp hour 2S LiPo, and I'm using a rubber band here so that I could put the rubber band, or put the battery on sideways. So you can see it like that. So it does. I think that helps a lot with the way it flies. It's still very quiet even on 2S on this particular prop. So if you're looking for a little bit more performance, I'd say go for the lower kV motor, go for 2S, and it's still pretty quiet and fast for your, sort of stealth flying, and you don't want to attract a lot of attention, that kind of thing. So here's some more flight footage, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Alright, flying a different spot today. A lot of reflections here. Multipath interference. 2S now. I think I need to adjust the tune a little bit. It's so quiet you can hardly hear any of the oscillations. It's not bad. Trying to stay on this side of this building here because it's really windy today. Wow, it's so hard to see the branches. Flying nice. It's pretty fast for this little area. Oh, even on this side of the building, there's a lot of wind still. Just zipping along here, and a little bit of shuddering there. And I switched to props now to the HQ 2x2x4s. So it seems like they're quieter than the Emax props. I've never flown this spot before, so it's a little hard to know exactly where all the bad spots are. And video is not great here. But overall, pretty nice. I definitely like it better than 1S. 1S is, it's fun, but you get bored of it pretty quick, unless you're a beginner. Still fast for a beginner, I think, on 1S. But definitely switching to a different motor here on 2S, a lot more interesting. But still pretty quiet, probably tell. You can barely hear it. And not bad for flight time. It's a 300 milliamp hour 2S GNB. Good control. Oof. All right, a little under 7 volts now. 3.5 minutes, so not too bad. Could probably go a little longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and land it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.